Hi, I am Raju Kamath. I am living for Chennai to study there to become an occupational therapist. I was born in a very poor family. I was the only child in my family. My father was a taxi driver and he was the only source of income in my family. And my mother, she had no earning of herself. So we had to rely on my father's earning. But unfortunately, my father passed away when I was just 2 years of age. So we left to study with my grandmother. Me and my mother had to rely on my grandmother for everything. She used to visit the missionaries of charity of Mother Teresa to get food for me, and also had a dream for me to be the first one in my family receiving a proper education. But she could not afford it. In 2005, my grandmother met Brother Xavier Raj Arul, and I was admitted to the Zuki hostel when I was just 6 years old. There, I received all the necessary things which a normal human beings need, like the basic fooding, clothes, shelter, and a good and proper English medium education. When I came to Missionaries of the Word, my total life changed and everything looked fresh and positive with new energy and new vibe. In 2010, I was lucky enough to get the chance to visit Austria and to represent India in the famous Life Ball program which was held in Austria. So I played tabla over there representing my country. So I want to thank Zuki for their overwhelming help and guidance towards me. Seeing my ailing grandmother, I had made up my mind to become a doctor in future and also put myself in the service of poor and disabled people. So after passing my class 12 higher secondary exam from El Bethel school, I sat for All India Medical NEET entrance examination which held in 2019. The competition in India was very high, and out of 15 lakh students, only 10,000 students are selected on all India basis, and my marks was not up to the competitive level, so I could not crack the exam and got a government medical seat. My morals were down. I was a bit demotivated. I know failure is a part of life, but hard work should always continue. So I continued my hard work and moved ahead. In 2020, I appeared for common entrance test, and after the examination, my marks was quite good, and my All India rank came 556, and I was called for counseling. After the counseling, I got a seat in National Institute of Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities, which is in Chennai. NIPMED, the institute name, it is one of the most prestigious institutes in India. So after joining my college, NIPMED, I have started having a positive attitude and approach towards life. Presently, I am very much motivated and happy in my life. Although I could not become a doctor in my life, I believe by becoming a successful occupational therapist in my life, I could help the poor people who are sick, who are disabled, who are impaired, to make their life a better one, to improve their life and make them independent in their life. So for everything, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to my sponsors and all the other members of Zuki family for their enormous help, support and dedication towards me. And lastly, also I would like to thank you all for the laptop, which is very important and I need it for my studies. Thank you.